Hi and welcome to my channel. I am Peter. I build custom scale model cars and RC cars for myself or for customers. In this video I'm going to build this Ford Focus FR200 that I bought at a local thrift shop. At first glance I thought, what's this for weird model Focus? But after a little bit of research I found out it really was built in the early 2000s. It was a concept car from Ford Motorsport to show off their potential and what they can build. They only built 3 cars, a silver one, a yellow car and a red one. I decided to build the silver car, because the base model is already silver. The base model I am using is remote controlled, but I decided to not put in new electronics for the RC and just make a static model out of it. First I'm going to delete all the decals, so it looks more like the real Focus from years ago. Even after all those years, it was quite easy to take the decals off. And maybe you remember this car from Too Fast, Too Furious. It had a little appearance in there. But first let's lower it, because it's really got a weird stance. Already much better. I think the model is a 1/14 scale. It's much bigger than a 1/18. There was a little hole in the roof from the antenna. I decided to close it. And when you're new at my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, put on your notifications bell and leave a comment if you want. And watch my whole video. Now it's time to paint the car. I painted it the original silver metallic color from Ford. After about 2 or 3 layers, I wasn't happy with the finish, so I started sanding it again. I wet sanded it with grit 1500. Then it was time to put on 2 other coats. And yeah, now it's nice and shiny. I let it dry for about 24 hours and after that I put on the clear coat. I hand painted the window surroundings and other black details and I put in the front lights. And in the meanwhile I am putting the car back together. The model didn't came with a full interior, only black windows. But the former owner decided to scratch his name in the front window, so that have to go. Just a slight sanding will do, and after that I'm going to put some clear coat on it. Yeah, the name is gone, better. Just 2 light coats of clear and then it will do. And with this, the little project is coming to an end. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye.